me. My name is Siti Hardiani Khotimah. I'm from Universitas Negeri Semarang, major Chemistry Education, and my ID number 430141706 and 9. Today, I will discuss about the hydrolysis material. This material is a continuation from buffer solution. Okay, let's listen. Hydrolysis has the meaning of the composition of salt by water that will produce H plus ion acid or OH mean ion or base. The characteristic of salt from acid and base reaction depends on the relative strength of acid and base. So, we'll produce salt, acid, base, and neutral. Here, hydrolysis is an acid-base reaction, which is both depleted and only salt that remains. So that in hydrolysis, we will calculate pH of salt. For example of salt is NaCl or natrium chloride. Salt is an electrolyte compound which is ionized in the solution to produce cation and anion. The cation is from original base, while the anion is from original acid. So, based on the strength of acid and base, we can divide into four. First, salt differ from strong acid and strong base. For example, NaCl or natrium chloride. Natrium chloride is from natrium hydroxide and chloride acid. Natrium chloride ionized into Na plus Cl-. Na plus react with water is a count reaction, and the Cl- react with water is a count reaction. So, pH of natrium chloride is neutral. Second is a weak acid and strong base. For example, natrium acetate. Natrium acetate is from acetic acid and natrium hydroxide. Natrium acetate ionized into CH3COO mean and Na plus. Na plus react with water is a count reaction, and then CH3COO mean react with water is it produce acetic acid plus OH mean ion, because OH produce OH mean ion, so this solution have pH greater than 7. So the characteristic of this solution is a base salt. And the third is from strong acid and weak base. For example, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is from ammonium hydroxide and chloride acid. Ammonium chloride ionized into NH4 plus Cl-. NH4 plus react with water produce ammonium hydroxide and H plus ion. And then Cl react with water. It is Kent reaction. So this is a hydrolysis reaction. So pH of ammonium chloride is less than 7. So the characteristic of this solution is acid salt. And the fourth, it is weak acid and weak base. For example, ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate is from ammonium hydroxide and acetic acid. Ammonium acetate ionized into CH3COO plus NH4 plus. NH4 plus react with water. It's produce ammonium hydroxide plus H plus. CH3COO plus water, it is produced acetic acid plus OH ion. So because in this solution, reaction is a hydrolysis reaction, pH of the solution base of the Ka and Kb. So if Ka equal Kb, the salt is a neutral, and if Ka greater than Kb, the salt is a acid, and then if Ka less than Kb, if the salt is base. So we can divide a reaction in hydrolysis into two. First is the partial and total. Partial, this is solution that from strong acid and weak base, or weak acid and strong base. And if the reaction of hydrolysis is total, it is from weak acid and weak base. The next is calculate about pH. If the salt is from strong acid and weak base, we can calculate a pH using pH equal mean log concentration of H plus, and then H plus is equal from root Kw division with Kb and then multiplication with M. In this M is a concentration from salt, and if salt from weak acid and strong base, we can calculate of pOH equal mean log concentration of OH mean. And OH mean we can find from root of Kw division with Ka and multiplication with M. And is in here is a concentration of salt.
Okay, in this section, I will give some equation and then we will do together. First, know ammonium chloride 0.2 molar solution and half Kb is 2 times 10 square minus 5. Determine the pH. And then 2, note that 50 ml of calcium hydroxide 0.5 molar is mixed with 50 ml of 0.5 molar acetic acid solution. Determine the pH if Ka equal 10 square minus 6. Okay, because ammonium chloride is already an acid salt, so the formula for we calculate pH are pH is mean log concentration of H plus. For calculate H plus, we using formula root of Kw divide with Kb and multiply with M. This is molarity of salt. And then Kw we using 10 square minus 14, and then divide with Kb. Kb we using this, and then we must do multiplication with molarity of salt. This is using 2, this is molarity of salt, 0.2 molar, and then we get root of 10 square minus 10. So, root from this is it 10 square minus 5. So we can inside concentration of H plus to this. So pH is minus log 10 square 5. So we can get the pH of ammonium chloride solution is 5. For the next question, we have to react first because it is not salt. This is the reaction. After writing the reaction, then we write down the first reaction and residual. Before, we have to calculate millimole of its solution. For calcium hydroxide, that is 50 milli times with 0.5 molar equal 25 millimole. For acetic acid, 50 milli times 0.5 molar equal 25 millimole. Because calcium hydroxide and acetic acid react so that they are depleted and there is no salt left to form 25 millimole. Then we look for salt molarity. The mole is 25 millimole divided by total volume 100 milli. Now this is molarity of salt. Then we look for pH. Concentration of OH mean is root of K W divide Ka multiplication with concentration of salt, and we get Kw 10 square negative 14 divide 10 square minus 6 multiplication with 25 times 10 square 2, and then we get this, and then we inside the concentration of OH mean here, and then we get POH is 5 min log 5. For calculated pH, the formula is 14 minus POH. So 14 minus 5 min log 5. So we can get the pH is 9 plus log 5.
Okay guys, I think enough for my explanation. I hope you can understand what I'm explaining, so you can different what is the hydrolysis reaction, which solution can mention hydrolysis reaction, and which solution that can't mention hydrolysis reaction, and then you can calculate pH of hydrolysis reaction. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.